Nonghikai SSA hakar phoar tarik unai tung arajar ar phoar kilai Khublei ka Sorkar jila bakala sngap ya jing ut jing nam jengki ban pelat ya katulop basa jengki kumbasan banai AA. Habakran sekilat pathai khubor Presiden jengki Nonghikai SSA uba Aristotle rambai ulapan pa ko jing skungu e ka Sorkar ya ki seng bhalang bapher ki bala kloi banyarap bat ai mansie me ki Nonghikai haki sausngi ki jing khi jengki bat kumju ru e ki nong shong shnong ka jila ki bala ai mansiem bat kersha ne ki hakani ka jing khi jengki banya le na ka banta ka Jingdawa.
Meghalaya SSA School Association to thank all of our friends who have come to give their hands to help us as a teacher of Meghalaya SSA School Association to help us in this definite dharna which we have organized from 18 July to 21st of July. That is 4 days and 3 nights, and we've come here to thank all of our friends, from different groups and organization, different individual person, friends, families who have come to help us, all the needful as people, as teachers in this definite dharna that we organize. For example, like food, that pandal and drinking waters and so many things that we as human beings we need. We have come here to thank them for their support, for their help, which we cannot say a word, but we have come here to thank and pray for your, give a prayer for your work, that your anything that you're doing in life will be success, so will be blissful.
Added to that, I take this opportunity especially to thank our Honorable Governors, Satyapal Malik, that it is through his initiative, his discussion with the Honorable Chief Ministers of Konrad Kisama, that the government have taken a decision to fulfill our demands. And last but not least, I also express thanks and gratitude to the Deputy Chief Minister, Sir Preston Tensong, who have taken initiative yesterday that during the discussion with him, he have expressed that the government is finding ways and means to solve the problems facing by the SSA teachers now and then, especially regarding the irregular payments of SSA teachers' salary and also the enhancements of SSA teachers' salary. And also I would like to express our sincere gratitude and thanks to the media, both print and electronics. It is because of you who raised our voice to the government and also to the general public, that all our dear friends and loved ones have come to support and to give their to join hands with us in this indefinite dharna which we have organized from 18 July, and we have call off yesterday, the 21st July 2022.